Oh, it's on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking onto this video. Today's video is going to be very exciting because I'm going to be doing a product review based on Ceylon. So basically this is the one that I'm going to review on. I actually got this gifted. I definitely have to do a review for you guys. The package is called Jewel Paradise 14 Days Wellness and Beauty Calendar. The packaging is so pretty. I mean, look at it. It's really beautiful and it's very unique. I've not seen anything like it. I can already smell the fragrances from the box itself. I'm just very curious if it's worth the hype because I've seen a lot of people have been hyping about this. This is meant to be a box full of surprises. Okay, I should stop talking and open this. So the reason why it's called a calendar, because you're supposed to open each product each day for a surprise. I don't have that much patience. So you see a design here, that's where you open your packaging. Basically you have to just fold in like that. On one side you just fold it in like that. From the other side, it's very unique, I know. And then you just have to open it. Oh, it's sealed. This is definitely a box full of surprises. I can feel the opening, so basically I'm just gonna go, let's just go with something random. I'm just gonna go for, let's just go for this. Hey. Oh my god, that is so cool. Let me just take the first product out. So this is the Pink Lotus Almond Luxury Soap. Good, you can definitely smell the lavender in here. My gosh, this smells divine. There's actually a lot of natural ingredients in here, and that's what I actually like about Ceylon. It's a luxuriously creamy natural cleanser enriched with romantic ylang ylang and soothing neroli blossom combined with exotic royal lotus to uplift and delight the senses. Virgin coconut, rice bran, wheat germ and almond moisture nourish and soft your skin. Pure mango butter and cocoa butter helps hydrate, protect and preserve natural balance, with fresh aloe vera helps cool and comfort. Wow, this is definitely gonna go in my shower routine. Okay, let's go for the next one. For the next one we got Candy and Rose Intensive Hand Cream. First I thought it was a lip balm by the size of it, but it's actually pretty cool because I mean this is actually a travel size friendly hand moisturizer. So see how it's, just gonna put a little bit. It definitely sinks well into the skin and the smell is gorgeous. It's very gorgeous, very soothing, very calming. It just really relaxes your mind. The fact that their fragrances are not too strong, but it just helps you relax. Essential oil of soothing and uplifting rose to help refresh the senses. I mean, yeah, it definitely helps a lot. This one is Ceylon Mango and Neroli Lip Balm. I actually did not expect a lip balm in here. I mean, wow. Blend of exotic essential oils and fruit butters that melt onto your lips for soft natural shine. Virgin coconut oil, olive and soya help instantly hydrate, nourish and protect lips from cold and dry weather. What I'm gonna check first, the smell. Smells good, I'll wear anything. Oh my gosh, this smells very fruity. It's like a transparent gel-based lip balm. Like there is no color to it. I believe you can wear this anytime, anywhere on cold or hot weather conditions. Sort of like a lip gloss. So this is definitely travel friendly. My lips get dry during the humid weather, so I think this will definitely help. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. It matches my outfit. True turmeric vitamin C glow facial cleansing foam. Okay, we got a face wash here. Yes, I do smell the turmeric in there. It's a wearable type of turmeric fragrance, which is really amazing. I know that Turmeric has a lot of benefits, not only for the outer part of your body but also for the inside of your body. A lot of benefits when it comes to your skin, your hair. Helps improve overall skin health and revitalize skin. Turmeric combined with rosehip, pineapple enzymes and aloe vera brighten skin and enhance natural glow. Alright, this is straight away gonna go to my face care routine. Let's go to the next one. So the next one we have is white jasmine face scrub. Pure precious jasmine oil to gently lighten, brighten and illuminate skin, effectively clearing clogged pores, removing dead cells and imperfections. Green tea, watercress and bearberry helps improve overall skin cell renewal. I don't get a strong scent of jasmine, which is a good thing. You definitely get the fragrance of coconut as well, like slight granules in there. I don't know if you can see it clearly. I'm gonna add this to my face care routine as well. Comment down below if you guys want to see me doing a face care routine using Ceylon products. I actually like that they didn't include all the products in the same range. Like for example, if it's just coconut, everything in coconut. No, it's not like that. They have included all different types of fragrances for you to try. Okay, I'm just having a hard time trying to get this one out. It's a very small product here. I got it. Sal and saffron vitamin E rich activating day facial protector, SPF 20. Oh, it's a sunscreen. Triple UV sunscreen and natural minerals help protect from harmful sun exposure. Very sunny outside these days, so I'm definitely gonna try this out and see if it's worth the hype. This isn't the end, we have a lot more to go. Guys, we got a body spray. Marisa perfumed body spray. Okay, I can't smell it like that. Let me just... Smells very aquatic, very refreshing, clean scent, I would say. Not too strong, but it is definitely wearable during the summer days. I really like this. I mean, I'm a huge fan of body sprays and I like refreshing, soapy, out of the shower fragrances, like clean scent, so this will definitely go in my travel package. Okay, so this is the Almond Tinted Lip Balm. Oh, it's tinted this time. It has sunscreen SPF 15. It looks like a lipstick. I mean, the color. I don't know if you can see it. Smell, I don't know, like to me it smells like a typical normal lipstick. Cocoa, mango and cocoa butters and cold pressed sweet almond, rice bran, avocado and wheat germ oils to treat moist, smoothened lips. Enriched with precious minerals for natural sun protection and sheer natural lip color. I should see whether it actually protects my lips during the sunny days since it has SPF 15. Okay, let's move on to the next. Oh my god, we got a shower gel. This is the Candy and Rose perfumed bath and shower gel. Oh, wait. So now I have the Candy and Rose intensive hand cream and also the shower gel. It does smell very refreshing and floral. What I like about Ceylon's shower products is that they really uplift your senses, makes your mind feel very relaxing, very calming thing. The fragrances aren't too strong, which is a really good thing. Lasting light fragrance on your skin throughout the day is perfect. And pure orange refreshing bergamot work on synergy with balancing jasmine to soothe and calm the senses. I actually didn't notice that it has jasmine in there, but I definitely smelled the rose as well as the aquatic scent. Moving on, this is unexpected. We got a body oil in here. White Jasmine Wonder Oil. 8 Ayurveda wonder herbs in an ultra nourishing blend. Soft, silky, smooth touch to skin and hair. Help improve radiance and promote overall wellness. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of body oil, but I will definitely try on the dry areas of my skin like my elbows or my knees. Yes, I definitely smell the jasmine in here. Use this on your hair as well. I have rough, dry, frizzy hair. This would be very useful. Very excited about this product and it's straight away going to go to my hair care routine. Alright, this is the Virgin and Coconut Hair Treatment Mask. Wow, vitamin-rich virgin coconut and aloe vera to nourish, hydrate, and enhance overall hair wellness, control dryness, and add a rich volume and silky shine. Another product that I definitely love to try since I have dry hair. So the next one we have is the Neroli Jasmine hand and body lotion. Gently calming and caring blend of essential oils to protect against dryness. It's good that they got their products very descriptive so that we know what we are applying onto our body. This smells amazing. I'm definitely gonna use this after my shower routine, so very excited. So the packaging, I thought it would come with like a nozzle. No, you just have to like, okay, the lotion is quite thick, so I have to tap it a bit. Okay, I just got a bit. It is actually nice. Not too oily, not too thick. I don't feel like the grease on my skin. Okay, the smell is 10 out of 10. Next one we have is the Neroli Jasmine Rich Body Butter. Feels like a very rich buttery texture. Really work on my skin like right after the shower. When your skin is slightly wet, like just apply on body butter very easily. This will work on my dry skin areas and it would definitely help. Calming Neroli Blossom Orange and refreshing bergamot work in synergy with balancing jasmine to soothe and calm the senses. I just noticed that most of these products contains key ingredients such as coconut oil, bergamot, the mango butter, almond, aloe vera. Like those are the key ingredients that includes almost in every Spa Ceylon products. Okay, so we are almost done and we have our final product right here, which is the 14th one. Oh my gosh, you guys, we got a cute little perfume. It's so cute. Oh my god, I can see like my reflection. It smells so good. It smells very refreshing. Yes, I definitely have to mention that. It smells refreshing, very clean. I don't get a fruity scent, but I do get that aquatic scent. I think this is the perfect fragrance to wear during the summertime. You just have to dab it on your skin like that and just rub it in. Rubbed it onto the skin. It smells floral. Like blossoms, I don't know, but it smells very refreshing. It's the perfect summer fragrance. I like body sprays and perfumes that's not too overpowering, and I think Spa Ceylon has definitely done their job well with this fragrance. Subtle, very refreshing summer fragrance. Straight away gonna go in my travel pack. Guys, we're done with all 14 products of Jewel Paradise by Spa Ceylon. I really enjoyed reviewing on these products with you guys a lot. If you like to see me doing more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe and give this video a like and share with your friends. I'm pretty sure Spa Ceylon is gonna come up with more new fragrances and more ranges. If they do, I'm very excited to try out their upcoming new products. If you ask me if I would recommend Spa Ceylon, yes, I definitely recommend Spa Ceylon. All their products contains natural ingredients, natural fragrances, no chemicals. Their products are very safe, very high in quality, and animal cruelty free. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I see you in my next upload. Bye.